Today, I'm going to show you 4 businesses that you can start right now for just $0. If we can get this video to 10,000 likes, I'm even going to start one of these businesses from scratch and document the whole process. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you always catch my new video. Let's get started with business number 1. Short-form content is without a doubt one of the most incredible opportunities of our generation. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, people are blowing up faster than ever before. But truth is, it'll take a long time for you to actually make money as a creator. However, there's a huge opportunity elsewhere to make good money quickly. I recommend starting a content creation agency. Essentially, your job is to find influencers with a small to medium-sized audience and offer to edit their videos, live streams, and podcasts into short-form content. Then you can take that content and post it for them on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok to help them grow much faster. This business is fast-growing, and every brand is looking for this right now and shows that there is a lot of value in this service. With an agency like this, you can easily charge people $500 to $2,000 a month just for editing these simple videos. The problem with this business idea is that everybody is trying to do this right now. So if you want to do this, here is how you can stand out and actually get clients. Instead of just reaching out to people and offering the service, show them that you're capable of doing it. So pick a brand or influencer and start creating some content for them free. The goal is to build up a page and show them that you're capable of getting results. If you can do that, people will be much more likely to pay you with no hesitation. For example, if somebody DM'd me and said, "Hey, I created a page for you 2 weeks ago, and I've already got a couple thousand followers, and we even had a video hit 1 million views," I'm going to be more likely to give that person some money compared to the person that's just like, "Yo, bro, I can create short-form content for your brand or business." If you do this properly and build up some results for them, you're almost guaranteed to lock them in as a client. This opportunity won't be around forever, so make sure to take advantage of it while you can. Business idea number 2, e-commerce. The truth is I've made the majority of my money with e-commerce. And for the last 3 years that I've been in the game, to get started, you needed some money. But that has changed with the resurgence of organic dropshipping. For the first time ever, you can build a 6-figure-a-month business without spending $1 on ads simply by leveraging the power of short-form content. So the way to do this is by first finding a product that is trending currently on TikTok or Instagram. Once you do, go on Amazon and order this product so you can begin creating content for it. Or check out clips of the product online and create a faceless content. Next thing is make this content go viral, and going viral is not by coming up with new ideas or trends. You can just go out there and study the videos that are already popping and recreate them in your own way. As long as you keep doing this on a regular basis, it's just a matter of time until your first video goes viral and the money starts printing. You can also implement this idea with TikTok Shop and use free affiliate who will promote your product on their page and get a commission off the traffic they generate. If you need a full tutorial on this comment drop shipping, and I will make a detailed video on this. If you find this video impactful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Moving on to business number 3, faceless YouTube channel. Did you know you can make thousands of dollars monthly from YouTube without showing your face? Essentially, all you need to do is pick a niche that you're knowledgeable about, like sports, business, or gaming, etc. Then take a deep dive into that niche and find video ideas that has already gone viral. After you've found some of this video ideas that are going viral within that niche, next think of a great title and thumbnail that you can use to get that video to go viral. If you need help coming up with a title, there is this free tool called vidIQ. It will show you the keywords that people are searching for and gives you inspiration for your titles. As for the thumbnails, you can keep them very simple. The best thumbnails are the most simple ones. You want to have a little bit of mystery in there, but you want to show your potential viewers the idea that you're presenting in the title. What most of these channels do is they take clips and photos from the internet and overlay a simple voiceover to tell the story. This allows you to create a ton of videos without ever having to leave your house. And you don't need expensive equipment to do this. Also, from my daily study of YouTube, I have observed that getting success, there comes down to basically 2 things. 1, getting people to click on your video, and 2, getting them to watch all the way to the end. It might sound like I'm oversimplifying things, but that is sincerely all it takes to get a video to pop on YouTube. This business is a little slower than the other ones, but if you do it right, you can truly build up one of the most powerful assets out there. Big YouTube channels are worth a lot of money and can provide you with so many opportunities like brand deals, affiliate marketing, YouTube AdSense, etc. The fourth business idea on my list is going to be the best opportunity for most beginners because there is massive demand and still a huge gap in this marketplace. As we all know, TikTok is clearly one of the greatest ways for businesses to get traffic and sales. And people often use TikTok a lot to promote online businesses, but it's very rare that I see somebody using a TikTok to promote a local business. Most local businesses want to grow by using this platform, but they're either way too busy to post daily or they just don't know how to use it. So if you can fill that gap, you can make a fortune, which is why I recommend starting a local TikTok marketing agency. I rarely see any company which specializes in this service in big cities. So imagine what it's like in a smaller city. Those local businesses want to grow too, and they want to use this platform. So you could be one of the only ones in your locality actually providing this service. And if you do it strategically, you can literally transform businesses because with TikTok ads, you can target the exact neighborhood or city that you want, allowing you to get extremely targeted customers that are interested in the type of product you're trying to sell. Whether that's a restaurant, a hairdressing shop, you can drive traffic to any one of these businesses and get them customers with TikTok. Truth is, people of all ages are spending hours daily scrolling on TikTok. So I can guarantee you that if you utilize this opportunity, you will make good money. And with just a couple clients, you can build yourself a six-figure-a-year business just by posting on TikTok. Of course, to do this successfully, you need to learn the essential skills like running ads, creating viral content, and getting customers. But not to worry, I've got you covered, as I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on this channel. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.